Welcome to Geek and Grace. I am Ashley Shirley, and today I am going to be discussing the Farmasi OpporTUNAity Plan. So what is Farmasi? Farmasi is a Turkish-based makeup and beauty company. The company was first started as a pharmaceutical manufacturing company in 1950 by Dr. C. Tuna. Farmasi is a makeup manufacturing company and a direct sales company. Farmasi products include makeup, nail polish, skincare, men's and women's fragrances, baby products, and in Europe they have a ton more products, and hopefully they're going to be bringing them over to the United States very soon. Farmasi just started in the United States in January of this year, 2019, and is just taking off and growing so much. So how does Farmasi work? Farmasi is a direct sales company, so it has independent distributors called beauty influencers that sell the products directly to individuals. Farmasi is a multi-level marketing company. Beauty influencers recruit individuals to join their team, and as a result can make a percentage of money from their team. The way that the compensation plan works is, it's really cool. You make a percentage from your personal volume, you make a percentage from your group volume, you make a percentage for, there's a leadership bonus, which I kind of look at as like a compensation for taking the time to train your team. There's a lot that goes into having a team, and so taking the time to train them, it takes time and it takes effort. And a lot of times, like if you were in a regular 9-to-5 job, you would, if you were a team lead or something like that, sometimes you would get a bonus or you would get more pay for doing that. And so that's kind of their way of compensating you for leading your team. So how much does it cost to join Farmasi? This is almost the best part of the Farmasi OpporTUNAity Plan. At a minimum, it costs $19.99 to join Farmasi. Well, what do you get for that $19.99? For the $19.99, you get a forever 50% discount on all of the products that are here in the United States. So as they start adding in more products, you'll get discounts on those. You'll get a 50% discount on those as well. So right now it's makeup, skincare, nail polish, there's fragrances, there's baby products. It's amazing. And then when you sign up for $19.99 at that time, and only at that time, you get an option to purchase one of the 3 welcome product packs. So there's kind of 3 different levels. They bundle a bunch of stuff together, and if you look at even your discounted value, you're getting more with these product packs than you're paying less with the product packs than you would if you bought it even at your 50% discount. So in the starter kit, in the $19.99 starter kit, you get a welcome letter, you get 2 small bags, you get the Farmasi OpporTUNAity brochure, which explains the personal volume, your group volume, all your bonuses and everything. It explains the compensation plan and how all of that works. You get 5 of the Farmasi catalogs. They are bilingual, so they're English and Spanish. And then you get some samples, which is really cool. So you get to try some of the products, even if you decide not to get one of the optional welcome product packs. So you get a couple samples in there, which is really cool. The product pack number 1 is $49, and you get a whole bunch of stuff. You get the tea tree serum, the curl mascara, you get the eyebrow lash and the eyebrow and lash serum, which is amazing, absolutely incredible. You get the age reverses eye cream, you get the calendula face cream, you get a gel eyeliner, eyeshadow, a blush, a lip liner, and an eyebrow liner, all for $49. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. In the second product pack, it's $125, and this is considered an activation pack. So in your first month, to be considered active, you have to do at least $125 in personal volume, and this package counts towards that. And how does that help? Well, that helps you get active, It also helps whoever sponsored you, because you are active, as long as they have 2 sponsored people for that month, then they will earn $40 per person that they sponsored. So you're helping your sponsor and you're helping yourself get active. And so that includes everything in the product pack plus a whole lot more. I'll put a link to my blog in here, and it lists everything that's in the product packs. So that way you can go and you can look through everything that's in the product packs. And then you have an option for product pack 3. This is the best one. I mean, this is the biggest and the best one. It's $200. So that's $200 in addition to the $19.99 that you pay to sign up. And this is a massive pack. It's like over $500 worth of stuff in here for $200. So that is absolutely the best deal. And that is also an activation pack. So you'll get active for the month, and you will have, so you'll help out your sponsor and you'll help out yourself by getting active for the month. So that is amazing. There are no monthly quotas, no monthly fees, no yearly fees, and you only have to order 1 item every 6 months to keep your discount. So if you want to make this a business, obviously you're going to want to sell your product. But if you want to sign up just to get that 50% discount, you only have to buy 1 item every 6 months to be able to get that discount. That is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So bottom line is, this is a business and we want to make money. So how much money can you make with Farmasi? So as you sell your products, you automatically make a 50% commission on all of the products that you sell. That is probably the easiest way to make money with Farmasi. Sell your products, you get a 50% commission. If you need some help on how to sell your products, please reach out to me. You can shoot me a message through Facebook. It's at Geek and Grace, or Instagram at Geek and Grace Glam, or you can comment here and I can help you out. So I'm going to kind of walk through the bonus program now. So when you first sign up, you get access to the welcome program. So for the first 4 months after you join, if you maintain 200 product value, which is $400 retail, $200 with the discount. So if you're just buying stuff for yourself, it's $200 worth of stuff each month for the first 4 months, and you will earn a free product each month. And they're pretty cool. I think the first month is a mascara. The second month is a cream foundation. The second month is one of the age reverses eye creams, your moisturizer, and then the time lock makeup setter. And I don't remember what the 4th month is, but it's really cool. You get prizes. I mean, you get free gifts just for selling your 200 personal volume every month, which is $400 retail. And trust me, it goes really, really fast. Then there is the team building program. So like I said, if you sponsor 2 or more active recruits within a calendar month, you'll be eligible to earn $40 per recruit. In order for the recruit to become active, the entrepreneur has to sell 250 MSRP or 125 PV. So when you buy that $125 package, that counts because it's $125. It's $125. When you buy it with a discount, it counts like point for point. So when you sell it MSRP, you get 1 point for every $2. So 125 discounted dollars or 250 MSRP dollars, if that makes sense. Then you get a personal bonus. Again, I will post a link to my blog because there's kind of a chart on here that kind of explains the personal volume. So depending on the amount of group volume you accumulate, so how much you and all of your team sells, you get assigned a bonus percentage. This essentially increases your commission. So if your team sells from $0 to $199 or 199 group volume, then you get 0%. So you're just making 50% commission. If you sell between 200 and 399, you bump up to 3%. So you're essentially getting 53% commission. Now, the 50% commission that you're selling from your products right away, you'll get that money straight away. You know, whether you invoice, whether they buy from your, if they buy directly from your website, you have to wait for your commission check. But if you sell through like PayPal, you invoice them through you know, they contact you, they place an order, you invoice them through PayPal, and then you go order through your back office and ship it out to them. Then you're gonna get your money, you're gonna get your 50% right away, and then you have to wait for your 3%, your extra 3%. And it goes all the way up to 25%. So if your group sells more than 5,000 PV in a month, then you get an extra 25% commission off of those products. So you could earn up to 75% commission. Paychecks happen on the 10th of every month. So like this month is November. So I'll sell all the way through November, all the way until November 30th. Whatever my group volume is on November 30th, whatever percentage I happen to be at, I'll get my, as long as you're active. So as long as you personally sell 125 personal volume, I'll get a check on December 10th for whatever percentage my group sells. Okay. So then the group bonus. So group bonus is a little bit complicated, but it can add up really, really fast. So you earn group bonuses based on the bonus level of the entrepreneurs that you have in your first generation, i.e. the people that you have directly sponsored. So if they sign up directly under you, you earn money based on their group bonus. So whatever your, so group bonuses are calculated by the difference between your bonus level and the bonus level of your first generation entrepreneurs. So if math's not your thing, let me break it down for you, okay? So if you are at a 25% bonus level, okay, your group, everybody underneath of you collectively together has sold 5,000 group volume, okay? And then you have a directly sponsored person and they are at 15%, okay? So you're at 25%, they're at 15%. We'll subtract those two. 25 minus 15 is 10%, okay? So then that person, you take their group volume, so whatever they have sold plus all of the people that signed up underneath of them, and say their group volume is 2,000, okay? So you take the 10%, that's the difference between your bonus levels, plus their group volume, which is 2,000, and you multiply those together, and you get $200. So from that one individual that you signed up, you're gonna get a $200 group bonus. And you do this for every single person that signed up directly under you. So again, I will post a link to my blog. There's a whole chart on there to show you exactly how much you could earn just from 5 people. So it's pretty awesome how much you can earn from your group bonus. There are some other bonuses, but I will cover those in a later video. That's really something to know once your team gets much, much larger and you're leading a lot more people. Then you have leadership bonuses and car allowances and all kinds of things like that. But that's once you get a much larger team, and I'll cover that in another video. So if you are ready to join, awesome, super excited. There is going to be a link right down there in the description that you can go to my page, www.farmacyus.com/Ashley Shirley, and you can click sign up, and you want to join as a beauty influencer. Okay, I will put all my contact information down at the bottom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I can answer anything for you. This company is brand new, and we are rocking it. It's amazing. It's taking off like none other, and now is the time to join. Don't miss this opportunity, okay? So if you want to join, link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want more informational videos like this